Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 955 and I'm gonna show you how to customize the button shortcuts on this watch. Basically, you can press and hold combinations of buttons to perform some actions, and we can customize it. First, we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the up button. Once the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Scroll through the menu and find the option called the System. Select it and then press the Start/Stop button to enter. In the system, scroll down by pressing the down button, find the option called Hotkeys, select it and then press the Start/Stop. And as you can see, here we have the list of hotkeys. And we can change or assign functions to them. For example, we have hold start hotkey, shortcut, and basically it will work when you press and hold the start button. So we can select hold start, press the start button to enter, and here we can select the function we want to assign to this shortcut. For example, flashlight. Select it and press the Start/Stop to confirm. And now when I press and hold the start button, it should turn on the flashlight on our watch. Like this. Okay, we can't turn it off the same way, we need to press the back button. Next we have hold back, so basically when you press and hold this button, then we have start plus down, so this button and this button. Then we have start plus up, so this button and this button. Back plus light, back plus up, and we can assign many functions to this to the keys. For example, we can assign something like touch, so back plus light, so it's gonna be this combination, and if you press and hold it, it will disable the touch screen, as you can see. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face, and that's how you customize the button shortcuts on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.